It's autumn. My little courtyard is looking absolutely gorgeous, and everyone's favorite activity? Fruit picking. But the most beautiful, plump, red hawthorn berries are way up high. So, what's the obvious solution? Ladder, right? Wrong. Because directly below our fruit tree is my daughter's flower garden. I don't want to ruin the plants, plus the ground is uneven. The berries are not worth the risk of breaking anyone's leg. Time to build something. First stop, the storage room. Leftover wire mesh from my daughter's garden trellis project. Sometimes my hoarding pays off. Grab the pliers and start snipping. We're going for a cylindrical bucket shape here. Now watch this. I'm bending out these little grabby bits at the top. I call them fruit claws. Patent pending, don't steal my idea. Oops, I don't have enough material left for the bottom. Need a round container. Best bet is the kitchen. There it is, an oatmeal container. Cut off the top, fits perfectly inside. Found a long pole for the handle. Sawed a slot on top and bent the ends to hold the container. Secured the bottom with wire. Simple. Time to test it. It works quite well. Look at those berries dropping in. This thing might be too effective. Only worry now is next time friends visit. They might strip this tree completely bare. By the way, this is how I have fun making stuff after retirement. At the young age of 68, I just discovered YouTube. I'm having the time of my life sharing what retirement really looks like. Gardening, DIY projects, learning shuffle dance, staying fit, traveling, and caring for my dog, birds, and cats. If you want to see more of my retirement adventure, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, we're just getting started.